Hi, and welcome to the video tutorial for Logix Meeting. Logix Meeting is an internal video conferencing feature that can be used to help increase productivity for your team members. It is built within Logix and works with a Chrome or Firefox browser, so no additional software is needed to use the feature. In this video, we will go over how to set up a meeting, as well as how to join a meeting and use the features. We will start out by creating a new meeting. To do this, click on the Administration dropdown, and then click on Meeting Room. Here you'll see a full list of all available meetings, which you can edit or delete as needed. To create a new meeting, click Create New Meeting. Here you can enter the subject line or name of your meeting. You can then enter a description for your meeting and select which teams will have access. Once you've filled in this information, click Save, and your meeting will be added to the meetings list and accessible to the teams that you've selected. To join a meeting, simply click the Meetings link. Here you can view all available meetings that you have access to. It's important to note that team meetings do not require an invitation for team members. They can simply enter the room and begin the meeting. Once you've found the meeting you would like to join, click Join. When you enter a meeting, this is what you'll see. At the top center of the screen, you will see the name of the meeting that you are in, along with the current duration of the meeting. At the bottom center of your screen, you will see 3 clickable icons that will allow you to mute or unmute yourself, leave the meeting, or start or stop your camera. You'll notice that idling your mouse causes all control options to disappear so that you can have greater visibility. To access your options, simply move your mouse. In the bottom left-hand corner, you will see 3 additional icons. The first icon allows you to share your screen. Clicking on this option gives you the ability to share either your entire screen, a specific application window, or a different tab within your browser. If you would like to share the audio from your screen as well, click Share Audio and click Share. To stop sharing, simply click Stop Sharing. The second icon allows you to raise or lower your hand. This can be useful when asking a general question of a large group or requesting a turn to speak. A raised hand will produce a hand icon within the user's tile. The third icon will allow you to access the chat. To close the chat, simply click here. Now let's take a look at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. The first squared icon allows you to toggle your view. If your meeting is a smaller, collaborative group, you may want to view other attendees in an equally sized and centered format. If your meeting has a presenter, you'll likely want to view them as a larger, centered tile with other attendees listed on the side. To adjust which user you are viewing front and center, simply click on the user. And if you want to hide the attendees list on the right-hand side altogether, just click the arrow below. Next to the squared icon, you will see 3 dots. Clicking on this will pull up additional available actions. The first setting in the dropdown allows you to manage video quality. Here you can make a selection ranging from low bandwidth to high definition, depending on your needs. The next option will allow you to view full screen. To exit, simply press Escape or Exit Full Screen. Below that, you will see the option to share a YouTube video. To do this, simply click on Share a YouTube Video and enter the URL of the video you would like to share and click Share. Underneath that, you will see an icon that will allow you to blur your background if need be. Below the blur option, you will see a link to settings. If you click here, you can access the settings for your camera, microphone, and audio. You can also update your display name or Gravatar email and your language. If you are a moderator, you will see additional options that will allow you to start meetings with all attendees either muted, hidden, or following you. The next setting available is to mute everyone. This is available for the moderator only. Below that, you will see a link to Speaker Stats. This will show you a list of all the speakers from your meeting along with their individual durations. The final action allows you to view a list of all available keyboard shortcuts. These shortcuts will have you meeting like a pro in no time. Now that we've made our way around the screen, let's take a look at some of the components displayed within a user's tile. Within each user's tile, you can easily see if a user has a deactivated camera or if their microphone has been muted. If you hover over the circular icon in the top left corner, you can view basic connection stats for the user. By default, the first person to enter the room will automatically be flagged as the moderator. This person can be identified by the star at the bottom right-hand corner of their tile. You'll also notice that other attendee tiles outside of your own will have 3 dots in the corner. If you are the moderator, you'll have a number of control options when hovering over the dotted section of another user. You can mute the user, mute all other users, remove the attendee from the meeting, send a private message, or alter the volume level of the user. If you are not the moderator of the meeting, you will only see the option to private message the moderator or control the user's volume as you hear it. Once you've familiarized yourself with the features of Logic's meeting, you should be able to run successful internal meetings that lead to increased collaboration and productivity from your teams. To view a log of meetings and attendees, click on the Security dropdown in Logix and click on User Log. You can then filter this list by meeting, users, and dates. It's that simple. Please feel free to log in and check out Logic's meeting for yourself. Thanks.